Hey, freelance platforms are great, but let me tell you a secret. The real money for me started coming in when I turned to LinkedIn. At one point, I realized something scary. See, 80% of my income came from just a few clients. If even one or two of them disappeared, I would be in serious trouble. That is when I decided to try LinkedIn. I started searching job posts, sending cold pitches, and connecting with decision makers, and within a few days, I landed a client. Now imagine doing that consistently every month. That is how I hit $5,000 per month. Now, the beauty of LinkedIn is that it connects you directly with CEOs, executives, and professionals. But there's a mistake that most people make, and that is they go begging for a job. Don't do that. Instead, you need to flip the script. Approach them as a problem solver. Show them an issue in their company that aligns with your expertise. Then you suggest a solution for that. Ask for their input, refine your idea, and then pitch yourself to implement it. That is how you stand out. Now you need to do this little mindset shift. Be a problem solver, not a job seeker. If one company takes too long to decide, don't wait around. Approach another firm, another agency, another executive, rinse and repeat. It's not about begging for work, it's about showing value and positioning yourself as the obvious choice. Now let's talk about the LinkedIn checklist that will dramatically increase your chances of landing clients. The first step 1 is optimize your LinkedIn profile. Now that means crafting a killer headline, writing a strong about section, using professional photos for both your profile and the banner. Many people forget the banner. Showcasing results in your experience section instead of just job titles. Give them details, what you did, how you contributed. Then getting endorsements and recommendations is highly important. Adding a services section if you're freelancing. And yes, you can use AI tools to make this process much easier for you. Step 2, display your work samples. See, clients need proof that you can deliver. It doesn't have to be years of experience. Even a small project or a mock sample is better than nothing. At least they'll have some proof to see what you can deliver, what potential you have. Then show them what you're capable of. Step 3, search strategically. Go on LinkedIn and type phrases like looking for US virtual assistant, looking for US content marketer, looking for AI automation specialist. Now these searches uncover real-time opportunities. People are literally posting that they need help. All you have to do is raise your hand and show them why you're the right fit. Step 4, when you find a promising lead, don't just stop at LinkedIn. Track that person across all platforms. See where they're active. That way you can engage with their posts, comment thoughtfully, and stay on their radar before sending a formal pitch. Now step 5, send a tailored cold pitch and get them into a meeting. Keep it simple. Ask them just 3 key things. 1, what results are they looking for? Second, what challenges have they faced with previous freelancers or employees for that particular role? Now third one, how can you deliver better results and make their life easier? Now this approach instantly makes the conversation about them and not you. Step 6, show them your case study, make an irresistible offer, and remove their risk. If they are slow to decide, don't wait around, move on to the next company and repeat the process. Now let me give you a very truthful statement here. If you spend even 1 or 2 hours daily doing exactly this, there is no way you won't land work in any economy, in any country. Let me tell you that very clearly. And the best part is this strategy is not just for freelancers. Even if you already have a job, using LinkedIn this way can grow your career at rocket speed. So, do you want to learn more strategies to identify clients and then pitch to them? And even crush it on freelance platforms with solid profiles and amazing proposals that do not get denied at all? Join our free online bootcamp this weekend. It's a 3-day online live bootcamp. It's live, you can attend from anywhere in the world, and we walk you step by step through these strategies. Remember, no recordings will be available, so block your calendars. I'll see you live there. Register right now. The link is in the description box.